Welcome to AlphaCars and Motorcycles. My name is Dimitri and we're going to check out 2005 Ural Tourist. A very well preserved example with a little over 22,000 kilometers, probably about 15,000 miles, and very well maintained, and with some really cool accessories. Many of them I can see were purchased from our Ural and e-commerce store. Check out the Hella headlamp. Actually, a very nice license plate, which we have our own. This is a different one. Then we're looking at a set of shin guards, reverse hand shifter, very nice addition, sidecar windshield, a very nice fender, sidecar fender accommodations. You see these light protection and the fender rack, sidecar fender light with the grille, front bumper, certainly very nice accommodation. Plenty of room in the sidecar, and here is the 12-volt outlet and a very nice compartment there. Chrome rack over the spare wheel, chrome hinges, a fuel canister. This is a single-wheel drive variant, and you can see a newer modern bench seat, nice chrome exhaust. And by the way, this bike was not detailed. It just literally just the way we received it. Now, these rims will never crack because this is the original generations of the steel rolled rims. The steering damper was updated from the mechanical one, this is here just for looks, to the hydraulic one found on 2014 and newer Ural models. A nice upgrade for the horn. Let's hear that. Yeah, lower tone. We are in neutral, and the bike is room temperature cold. I'm gonna pull out a choke here. Choke here. Idles nicely. No smoke. LED body lamp, LED headlamp, nice visibility on the road. Gas tank looks pretty nice. And it looks nice and clean, no rust inside. Nice throttle response. And I had it out on a quick roll test. It shifts nicely with a nice, I would say nice, normal, crunchy sound from the gearbox, because this is pre-2007 and they have the good, solid gearboxes, and they have a distinctive sound when they engage, which is absolutely normal. I would like to point out some, I guess, cosmetic deficiencies. You know, there are small scratches here and there. The tires are definitely, it's going to need tires. Yeah, like the spare tire is probably the original one from 2005. It still says made in Russia. So this is definitely the original tire. There's a definitely Russian writing right there. And I don't even think there are DOT date stamps, but it is definitely going to need a new spare tire, and so these were already upgraded, and they have a little bit of tread left on the bike tires, so you can see that. The paint is in good condition. It's not cracking. It's original paint, so it shows some age, but it's definitely in good condition. Seat is in good condition. Windshield is in good condition. It looks like this has a set of heated grips. Yeah, you can see that. And we can try to turn that on and see if that's gonna get warm. So let's see. Give it a moment. Has a sidecar mirror. The adjustable shocks are standard. They're in good condition. Let's take a peek in the trunk area. And these are the models that have the drum brakes. Oh, look at this. I love this. So it actually has its own battery setup. Oh, look at that. So let's check this out. That means we don't have a battery. Yeah, this is empty. You can put a little toolbox there. But here we have an oversized battery, which is awesome. Yeah, there's really no rust inside the trunk area. And let's see what we have here. And the sidecar is also nice and clean. A little bit of sand, a little bit of just nothing to be concerned about, but most importantly, no rust there. That's huge. And we have the owner's manual right there. Yeah. Oh, we're definitely warming up. So the heated grips work, confirmed. Awesome. And I'm still gonna give it a kickstart and see if that will start. Oh, check that out. And this is your first gear, and this is the clutch, so you can see the bike moves forward. I'm not pushing it, it goes on its own. And now we can put it back in neutral. So we got it in neutral, and now we're gonna put it in reverse. Actually, it's this way. It's moving it forward, puts it in reverse. So now you can see, you can just roll it with the clutch, it goes in reverse, and to put it back in neutral, we're going to pull that lever down like this. Okay? And we're back in neutral, I'm going to turn this off. So, well, now I can comfortably say thank you very much for watching this video from AlphaCars and Ural Motorcycle.